Hey guys, this is a Fanimation Windpointe. I don't remember if it's been mentioned in a previous video or not. We haven't videoed this fan before, but the last time Metal Pete and Andy were here, we tried to and discovered that the pull chain had been ripped out of it. So it did not use a standard pull chain hookup. It may have used a standard pull chain, but the hookup was non-standard, so I spent quite some time trying to figure it out. Oh, we got one blade on upside down, and then we got three blades on upside down. Yeah, I'm just now noticing that. Well, that's okay. We'll do the video like it is. You see here, I'll show you. Everybody can learn from this, not just Metal Pete. This is the finished side. This is what's supposed to be showing.
Okay.
This is the unfinished side. This is supposed to go up.
Okay.
So that's why some of them are kind of tilted up and some are tilted down. The ones that are tilted down are upside down. But that's okay. It'll be fine for the video. So I'm not 100% certain if the replacement pull chain I put in there is correct. It's possible. I did a little separate video where I was testing a few different wiring scenarios, and with a different wiring scenario that I can't get with a normal pull chain, it would go a little bit faster, not a whole lot faster, maybe about 10 to 12 RPM faster on high. So I'm not entirely certain. And I'm going to be talking to some of my friends at Fanimation and figuring it out. But I might have to wait till the next time I go there and I can talk to the guys in the lab. Because it's not something that just anybody would know, what specific pull chain and specific wiring is in any given fan. So anyhow, we're going to try it with the replacement pull chain that I put in it. So this is low, drawing 0.22. Okay, whenever you're ready, your medalist, you can take us to medium, drawing 0.28.
Alright. Yeah, a little much. Not much of a...
Yeah, I mean, they move decent air for being palm leaf blades. I can feel a good breeze from it here. The airflow pattern is very different than a normal blade, too, is another thing to consider.
Sure.
You don't feel it as directly under the fan as you do... and you don't feel it at a distance the way you do with an industrial. It's kind of in between.
Okay. Sure.
Whenever you're ready, you want to take us to high? High is drawing 0.34. It wouldn't, when with the other way that we were testing, I think it drew 0.4.
Yes.
It wouldn't be abnormal for a Fanimation to draw this little current. They're designed to be very low current fans. And we figured this was about 60 RPM. The other way would be about 70, 72 RPM. So not a huge difference.
Yeah, that 0.8 rating, I didn't know if that was like, maybe with the light included.
That's possible. It seemed like a very high rating.
It probably is, because this is light kit adaptable.
Yeah, it came with a light kit on it when we got it, but
yeah,
I didn't like the light kit, so I took it off.
Because of the low current draw the motor has.
Although the light kit that was on it would draw on way more than 0.8. You want to check the airflow from a distance? Are you curious?
I could, but probably not going to feel much.
Probably not.
No, really nothing back here.
You can definitely tell from this perspective that some of the blades are upside down.
Yeah.
So, yeah, nothing discernible from this distance. But again, that's not designed to be. So we can do it in a reverse.
Oh yeah, reverse switch.
So
we do spin down.
Yeah, do spin down. Just pull the chain down to off.
And then I'll flip.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna turn it off here, and we'll go high, medium, low.
Yeah. Okay.
So here's low reverse, 0.22.
Same.
Yeah, it should be this. It's gonna be the same. This is one of those fans that the main coil stays the main coil and the aux coil stays the aux coil. You want to take it to
medium.
0.28.
Same. Okay. All right. Well, then I'll just do high.
0.34. I would consider selling or trading this. I have no particular attachment to the Windpointe. But I want to get the right pull chain in it first. Okay. Do you want to do the controls?
Sure.
Of course he does. I've never known him to say no, ever.
Okay, flip it. It's still set to high.
Wow, my Totally Awesome is basically totally frozen. Here, that's how I used to prop it.
Oh,
I figured it out.
Okay, with the Totally Awesome.
Well, I mean, it didn't matter what he was, WD-40 or Totally Awesome.
Okay, well, let's see. We'll start with the decade box.
Ready to start.
Set to high, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, it stalled. It started on 2.
It's not surprising. It's a pretty low current motor.
Sure, it started on 2, but it stalled.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're at 3, and I'm on 0.18 at 3. So, just for grins, I'm already at 0.25 on 4, so an Emerson control would send a little bit more to it on low.
Yeah.
Than the factory.
I wonder what kind of wall control they would offer with these.
Well, probably that 3-speed. Is this an AC motor?
Yeah.
Well, then probably that 3-speed.
But if we're already at 4 and we're already close to high.
Okay, 4. And then 5. What were we at on high?
0.34, I thought.
Okay, yep, 5.
So 6 is over.
Yes, so you definitely don't want to use any of those standard wall controls.
I wonder what kind of control they would offer with it. Or maybe it's just not hooked up right with this pull chain.
That could be,
you know?
Yeah, because 6 already sends it over.
Okay, so let's do the solid state.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just not, okay. Alright, here I go. Okay, not yet. Anything? Oh, I'm already at like 1 o'clock, and it's just started at 0.12. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's definitely a low current draw, and I'm just going to go right up to noon with it.
So far silent, though.
Pretty silent.
You hearing hum?
I thought I heard something. Yeah.
There's a fan or a heater. That's a fan. There's a little hum.
Yeah, but that's not a bad hum.
No, not at all.
Okay, I'm just going to go to 11 o'clock, which is 0.23, which is the factory low. And that gets set at now. I'm just going to go to 10 o'clock at 0.27, or close to 0.28. That's its medium. And I'm just going to go to high on the solid state, and I'm at 0.32. So, sure, a solid state will work on this. And it's just shy of factory high, so it's really close, but at least you don't go over. And it's pretty quiet, and the hum is not unpleasant.
No.
So
okay.
It would
do
work.
0 to high.
Okay. Okay, may want to stop it so I get accurate results. 0.34.
So it doesn't go any over 0.34.
No. Just, yeah, this motor is that way. One of those motors that just doesn't draw more current to accelerate.
Yeah. Well, I'll be finding out more about this. I wanted to give it a try today since I had some time to experiment with the wiring, but I will be spending more time on it later. So I think this is it, right? We got everything covered here?
Yes, we do.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.